So a quality management system is terribly important to reinforce a quality culture. And regardless of the standards used to kind of enforce that quality management system or build that framework, it's a very, very practical way to set a framework and set expectations for everyone involved. An EQMS is a great way to realize that because of the accessibility of data. So we can build a QMS and we can run metrics later. An EQMS is fantastic, exponentially more efficient in that we have almost real-time data. So as we're building or working within the quality management system, we can pull data from it and we can adopt principles and practices that inform how we can change our behaviors if we need to adjust along the way. So what I mean by that is there are lagging indicators in any quality management system. They're still lagging with an EQMS, but they're lagging more closely to where the data is being created. And so we can respond or react more quickly to kind of adjust on the fly. So instead of waiting to crunch your numbers and calculate how many deviations or deviation aging or where we are on inspection commitments, if we can get those data very quickly and use that to inform decision making, we realize a great deal of value. Working with startup companies or emerging biopharmaceutical companies, it's often misinterpreted that maybe we don't need quality management, we don't need to focus on quality management systems until later. And later is frequently interpreted as, well, maybe phase 3 clinical trials or even later, getting closer to commercial supply. And one of the things that we find is it's very, very useful in terms of efficiencies for the company as well as value for the company to think about quality as early as possible. We've had clients work with us even as early as planning clinical trials, so well before clinical trial materials are being manufactured, and talking about quality and regulatory compliance challenges early so that those decisions can better inform how data integrity will be managed, how downstream data will be available for filings and for technical transfer and other things, and how the people involved begin to understand early what's important to this company, whether the company intends to be acquired or not. Having those understandings very early, we find very, very useful and valuable to the company.